Nigerian musician Darlington is in serious trouble after a video surfaced showing him talking about spending time in a hotel room with a 15-year-old girl. This has caused a lot of anger from people online and in the media. The problem began when Darlington posted a video where he made shocking comments about being in a hotel room with a teenager. Many people were upset and said his words were wrong and dangerous. Later, Darlington said he was just trying to trend and didn't mean what he said. He apologized, saying it was all just for clout, a way to get attention. But people were still very angry and didn't accept his excuse. According to Isaac Fayose, a media personality, the teenage girl involved and her mother are now planning to go to the police. They want to make an official report about what happened. Fayose posted a video saying that the girl will write his statement at the police station soon. He wrote, "At Darlington, victim coming to station tomorrow to write statement with her mother. Interesting days ahead. Wow, what a lawless nation. May God protect our children."
Happy Darlington coming on a live broadcast, live video to say he slept with underage 15-year-old and blood do pour stain all the bed. He had to pay the hotel people to come and clean the blood. Wow, what a sad moment in our country on Children's Day confession. Wow. Where's the protection for our children? But unfortunately for Happy, he was thinking it was a joke. But as God will have it, we now have a victim coming forward tomorrow to write the statement, going there with the mother. Wow, Happy, you are going to be the latest Fido in Nigeria. You are going to be the latest Fido. You are going to join the likes of R. Kelly. You have been joking about the oil, sliming, slide. You have been joking about it. But now, you are a victim of your oil. Now, we got someone coming up tomorrow to write statement. And I believe the relevant agency, international community are watching you. I'm in Dubai now. People are talking about it. How can your country be this porous? What kind of country is this? How can a country be like this? Wow, this one, you can't sweep it under the carpet. Unfortunately for you, we now got a victim. Darlington, you are gone. You better get your oil ready for kiri because you will need it for sliming.
This means Darlington could be investigated by the police very soon. Many people online are calling for justice. They believe celebrities should not be allowed to say or do things that hurt or endanger young people, even if they claim it was a joke or just to get attention. As more details come out, fans and followers are watching closely to see what will happen next. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates as this story develops. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.